Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. Dear children, in this video we will solve the arithmetic progression chapter, the exercise 5.2 of CBSE board and the same exercise 1.2 of state board. Okay. Now the question is, the second one we will solve. The question is, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So you need to choose the correct option from the given following question, children, right? Now in that, the first question is, the 30th term of AP 10 comma 7 comma 4 is, and they have given a 4 option: 97, 77, minus 77, minus 87. So you need to check the which term will become 30th term, right? So that is the first question. Now the second question is, the 11th term of the AP minus 3 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 2 is same as usual. Here also you need to find the 11th term of the AP. Here also you need to find the 30th term of an AP. They have given a AP, and here also you need to find the 11th term of a AP. Right? Now I'll take the first question. Okay. You need to find the 30th term of an AP. Right? Write down the AP first. The AP are 10 comma 7 comma 4 and dot dot dot. Now you need to find the 30th term, children, right? So how will you find? Right? Just simple. Just first of all, write down the AP and write down the first one as A1, A2 and A3, right? And just write down the data here. So now what are the data? Data is nothing but, first you need to take the first term. First term is A. A1 is nothing but A. A is equals to 10. Now you need to find the common difference. So common difference is, the common difference formula is A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Now just apply the values here. Now A2 is how much? 7 minus A1 is 10. That's equals to A3 is 4 minus 7, right? That's equals to 10 minus 7 is, sorry, 7 minus 10 is, it's 3, nothing but sign of a biggest number. Biggest number is 10, sign is minus. So therefore minus 3 is equals to here also minus 3, right? Now here you need to find the A 30th term, right? So A 30th term is nothing but, you need to find A 30th. So nothing but here n is equals to how much? 30. So this is the data that you need to write down first. Okay, so you need to write down the AP first, and afterwards you need to write down A1, A2, A3. Afterwards this much of data you need to write. Now just apply the formula. So by formula, what is the formula? Nothing but AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Now you are about to find the A 30th term, right? Find the A 30th term. So you're having all the values here. A is there, D is there, N is there, right? Just apply the values. So therefore A 30th term we are finding, that's equals to, A value is 10 plus A is nothing but the first term, into N is 30 minus 1 into D. D is how much? D is minus 3. Okay. Now A30 is equals to, simplify this, 10 plus, so 30 minus 1 is nothing but 29 into minus 3. Okay. Now A30 is equals to 10. Now you need to multiply the numbers also, and also you need to multiply the symbols also. Plus into minus is minus. Now 29 threes are, so 9 threes are 27, 7 into 3 twos are 6 plus 2 is 8. So therefore minus 87. Now therefore A 30th term is equals to 10 minus 87 is, it's 77, sign of a biggest number. So biggest number is 87, sign is minus, so therefore minus 77. Now just observe the, now you got the values, right? Now just observe, A 30th term is minus 77. Now just observe whether this answer is in which option. Here, yes. So that means hence C option is correct, because C option is minus how much? minus 77. So C option is correct. Okay, so this is how we'll solve the problem. Children's, simple. So you need to write down the AP first, write down the terms as A1, A2 and A3, and write down the data, and write down the formula, and write down the values to the formula, apply the values to the formula and simplify it, and you'll get the answer, right? And this is the first one. Now we need to find the second one. In that second question, you need to find the 11th term of an AP, children, right? Now I'll write the AP. So what are the AP? AP is minus 3. Now we need to find the second one, right? So minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, and so on, right? So this is the AP. As usual, write down the first one as A1, A2, A3, and so on. Because, so why you need to write this? Because to find the common difference, if you write like this, means you can easily take the values. So you need to write down A1, A2, A3. Now as well, write down the data. So nothing but the first one is A. The first term you need to take. What is the first term? First term is minus 3. The next is, the next is, you need to find the common difference. The common difference formula is A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. So therefore that's equals to A2. A2 is minus 1 by 2 minus of A1 is minus of minus 3. Now here just be careful when you are doing this, because two symbols are there. That's equals to A3 is 2 minus A2 is minus half. So write down in the bracket. Okay, now here simplify this, children. So that's equals to, first keep the half as it is. Now minus into minus will be plus 3. So here also 2 remains same, minus into minus is plus half. Okay, now here you need to take the LCM, because the denominator are different on the both side also, here also, here also. Now you need to take the LCM for the here and this place also and this place also, right? Now what is the LCM? LCM is 2 is the LCM. Now 2 homos are 2, 2 ones are 2, in the middle you got 1. Now multiple the middle term to the numerator. So 1 ones are 1. So therefore it's minus 1. Now here you can do this LCM method by in your own method, children. How your teachers teach, like that you can or how you have learned, like that you can simplify it, right? Now I'll say again, 2 homos are 2, 2 ones are 2, the middle term is 1. So therefore the middle term to the numerator, 1 ones are minus 1. Okay, plus here also 1 homos are 2, 1 twos are 2. So therefore in the middle you got 2. Now multiple the middle term to the numerator. So now 1 homos are 2, 1 twos are 2, middle term is 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, that's equals to, I'll simplify this. Afterwards I'll take the LCM for the this place. Now here, so minus into plus is minus, so therefore you need to subtract. So therefore if you subtract means 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5 by 2. Sign of a biggest number is plus. So therefore 5 by 2. Right? If the same answer comes here also, means then this list of numbers or these terms are called as a AP terms. If the common difference is difference, means this is not a AP terms. We will say this is not a AP terms. Okay. Now take the LCM for here also. Now what is the LCM? So LCM is here 2 and 1 is nothing but 2 is the LCM. Now just check, 1 how much are 2? 1 2s are 2, in the middle you got 2. Now multiple the middle term to the numerator. Now you got 2, so 1 2s are 2, so therefore 2 is the middle term, 2 2s are 4, plus, now 2 homos are 2, 2 1s are 2, so in the middle you got 1, right? Now multiple 1 to the numerator, 1 ones are 1, so that's equals to 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. here also 5 by 2, here also 5 by 2, so therefore common difference are same, nothing but fixed numbers are same, so therefore you can directly say that these terms are AP terms, right children? Now you got the values, and again I'm saying children, here this method can be solved by in your own method, okay, nothing but how your teacher says, like that only you can solve, right? Now you got A value, you got D value. Now you need to find the 11th term, so therefore 11th term you need to find, so I'll write the formula. So therefore an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Now here you need to find the 11th term, so therefore a11 is equals to, now what is the value of a is nothing but minus 3 plus n, 11th term, okay, so 11th term means n is an, n means how much, 11 minus 1 into d, d is how much, we got the d right here, so it's 5 by 2, right children? So here I will write children the another two values. So a 11th term you need to find, so therefore n is equals to 11, okay. Now here an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. An is equals to nothing but n, a 11th term you are finding, a11 is equals to, a value is minus 3 plus n value is 11 minus 1 into d, d value is nothing but 5 by 2, right? So this is the nth term formula, nth term of an AP formula. So simple, you need to apply the formula and you need to write down the formula and you need to apply the values to the formula and simplify it and write down the answer, right? So therefore a11 is equals to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 2, right? So that implies a11th term is equals to minus 3, here 2 ones are, you can cross multiple, so 2 ones are 2 5s are, okay. Now here 5 5s are 25, so nothing but it's plus 25, remains plus 25. How? So here 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, you're making a cross multiple, right? So 2 ones are 2 5s are, now the remaining is 5 5s are 25, okay. So therefore a11 is equals to, minus into plus is minus, you need to subtract it, subtract, so 25 minus 3 is 22, sign of a biggest number is 25, sign is plus, so therefore plus 22, so therefore a11th term is how much, 22. So therefore which option is right children, just observe here, 22 here, so a is 28, so B is 22, so therefore B option is correct, so therefore hence option B is correct, okay children, and this is how we'll solve the problem. It's a simple problem children, you can easily solve these problems, just you need to learn the formula, an formula, wherever if they have asked me like 11th term, find the 11th term, find the 30th term, find the 20th term, find the 15th term, like that if you have asked me, just use this formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. There is a one thing that first you need to do. And the second thing is, after writing the AP, write down a1 a2 a3 and afterwards write down the data and afterwards apply these values to the formula, simplify it, you'll get the answer children. And this is the problem, and thank you.